Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news of a widening economic disparity building up between the US and Europe. The American economy rebounded 4.2% and more strongly than initially thought in the June quarter, with a larger part of the growth driven by domestic demand. The increase primarily reflected positive contributions from personal consumption expenditure, a key Fed measure, private inventory investment, exports, non-residential fixed investment, state and local government spending, and residential fixed investment. Federal government spending restraint kept it lower than it would have been. In the housing market, the number of contracts signed to buy previously owned homes rose in July to a level much higher than was expected, a sign that steady job growth is supporting a rebound in housing demand. And initial US unemployment claims continue to trend lower. But across the Atlantic, overnight borrowing costs in euros fell to a negative level for the first time ever, as the ECB's penalty charge on deposits dampened money market rates and yields in the region. Euro area economic confidence fell more than forecast, Spanish consumer prices dropped the most in 5 years, and German unemployment unexpectedly rose in a burst of data backing Mario Draghi's warning that more stimulus may be needed there. The EU has also announced emergency subsidies for their dairy farmers who have been hit by the Russian ban on food imports from the EU. Meanwhile, in the USDA monitoring of dairy prices out this morning, European prices have fallen sharper and harder than Oceania prices, but they're still generally higher than the prices New Zealand can access. Milk powders are especially hard hit. Markets have taken fright following the Russian invasion of parts of the Ukraine and the worsening EU economic situation, with a quick move to safe haven assets. Yields fell everywhere, with the US Treasury 10-year benchmark bond yields lower again today and are now at only 2.33%. That's the lowest level so far this year. US oil prices rose marginally at just over $94 a barrel. Brent is basically unchanged at just over $102 a barrel. And surprisingly, given the geopolitical risks, gold had only a small rise overnight and is now at $1,289 an ounce. We start today on the currency front with little change from yesterday. We're now at just above 83.7 US cents, 89.6 Aussie cents, and the TWI is at 79. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.